Hey folks, I recently started using Cursor Composer along with some MCP servers, and I'm amazed at the results it can achieve. Let's go through this example where I'm trying to sync some dates to my calendar, some dates I'm interested in, and I kind of after doing this example, I'm like thinking what will happen to the ETL industry. So let's go through this and see how it feels. I'm gonna ask it, find me the dates of India games in the latest championship trophy 2025. So the cursor composer is figuring out how it wants to solve this query, and it says it's going to call this search MCP tool, which is the EXA web search tool that I configured. It's an easy one-step configure, and it's calling a search tool there. It gets the results, and it tells me the dates, and there are 3 games which are in the time is in Indian Standard Time. That's something I live in the Pacific Coast, so I want it in California time. So I'm going to say what games are right. I want it in Pacific time zone. Yeah, so it gets it to 1 a.m. Pacific time. Early morning. Okay, that is about right. And now, obviously, the next step I naturally want is to add these things to my email. So that's great. Can you add these to my calendar? It's trying to use the calendar tool, which I again configured. Which is looks to be about right. Let's say run tool. Okay, so it's doing it for each game individually. That's interesting. Yeah, so if you can see what's going on, in the first step, I extracted information. In the second, I transformed it to my time zone, and the third, I am loading it into my calendar. So what I'm thinking is, before MCPs and agents, we would have to write custom scripts, or we would have to have use some ETL tools. What happens post MCPs? Your chat agents are able to do most of the work. I feel like a lot of value is getting aggregated at the model provider layer. Yeah, so this is something very interesting I found, and I wanted to share it with the world. Yep.